everybody, this is Justin and I am the Code Star. Today's video is going to continue with classes, but I'm going to teach you a little something different. We're working with our base class, and I've made a few changes to it, so let's take a look at those now. The first thing that I did to our base class is I changed the name from my class to CS_base. Okay, I did change it down here as well. I also changed the variable from CL to CS. CS in this case stands for Code Star. Now, because all my classes are having that, I actually renamed this one as well to CS_dog. So because all my classes are going to have that, I had to make two changes to my load class function. And the first change is in the attributes of the function. I added in the prefix equals CS_. Okay? But I had to add that to the name, and so I still explode on the dot to get this portion of the class. Okay? And then I add the prefix after that. Everything else is the exact same. Okay, this is the way that we've been doing it in my tutorial so far, and there's nothing wrong with doing it this way. But, you know, in the case of this line here, there is an easier way to do it. And that is called method chaining. So we could do, in this example, something like CS_dog puppy doggy. And we'd actually have, with this method you do have to have a final function as well, so combine. If you're going to echo it out like this or do anything with the data, you pretty much have to do this. And the reason why is because it's actually going to be turned into an array. So let's get rid of this right here. And let's add that in. Yep, I don't want IE. Okay, so as you can see, fatal error, call to a member function doggy on a non-object. Okay, the reason why it says that is while dog is an object, puppy is not. Okay, so the first thing for object chaining is to create a public variable. So we go public string CS_dog equals array. Now this variable does not have to be the same as your class variable. It can be whatever you want. That doesn't matter. Okay. Now, in this case, we cannot just return what we want it to say. So we have one thing to change here, and that would be string this CS_dog doggy equals the old dog slept in the corner. Okay, and we can get rid of this return. Now this part of the array has to be the exact as the name of the function, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay. Now we have puppy. Let's do the puppy. String this CS_dog puppy equals the puppy chased the cat. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh refresh this. Now, for those of you that have done this thing before, you're probably saying to myself, you've missed a step, and I know. Okay, so it's still telling me, call to a member function doggy on a non-object. So, how we combat that is by return string this. And you have to do this in every function. Okay. Now if you look here, I created another one called combine. Function combine. Now for this example, I'm just going to do it real easy. Return string this cs dog puppy dot while dot string this cs dog doggy. Okay, now it'll work, and it works beautifully. Okay, that's one way to do it. But when you start getting into like queries and stuff, you need something a little different. So let's do it like this. For each string this cs dog as string val. String combine equals dot equals, so we'll go string combine equals dot equals string val. Okay, now because I'm running it puppy doggy, let's go, we'll leave it like this for now and just test it. It didn't work. Why not? Here we go. We need to return string combine. Boom, and there we go. But it doesn't look right. So let's put a space in this and put while and refresh it, and there you go. And that's the easy way to do it. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this on a real life example, which will be using databases. More specifically, it's going to be the PDO object, but I'm not going to, in my class, I'm not going to allow anything other than MySQL, and that's because that's what I use. It's my database of choice. But it'll be easy enough to change if you use something different. So thank you for watching. As always, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, don't hesitate to post on my channel or on the video itself. If you have any requests, you can post those on my channel, or you can email me directly at requests@thecodestar.com.